G'day there, Craig from Fully Airconditioned here. Today I'm going to go through and show you how to replace the filter media on a panel type filter. This filter is located in the return air grill, often in the ceiling or the wall. This is common to ducted gas, ducted air conditioning. So we're going to go through and replace it. It should be replaced every 3 years or when it starts looking tatty. It's the only thing protecting the air conditioner from filling up with dirt and junk. So yeah, it's an important part. So keep watching and I'll show you how to replace it. So you're going to need a few things. You're going to need new filter media. You're going to need a spline roller, get them at Bunnings. Screwdriver, just for prying out the spline. And a good sharp knife. Start by finding the joint and then simply pry up the spline and pull it out. Sometimes the spline becomes quite brittle and breaks. It's probably time to replace the spline as well. You can buy this by the metre. You can get more spline from your hardware shop, 4.5mm, usually found in the fly screen section. So get your filter frame, lay it down, lay your filter media over the top. Start off in a corner. Find the corner, push it in with this end of the roller. Takes a little bit of work. Once that's in, lay the spline out in front of you and then roll it in. And you can just continue to flip it around and keep rolling it in. Work it into the corner. Keep the spline straight, a little bit of tension on the filter media. Roll it in. Work it into the corner. And the same thing again. Now this is where you need to get rid of any crinkles, so a little bit of weight on this side to keep the filter media nice and taut. Work it in again, and then pull the filter media so it's nice and taut. Grab your knife and trim off the excess. So there's the filter media in. Now you've just got to trim the edges. So if you get a sharp knife, make sure it's sharp. Sharp knives are safer. A blunt knife, you're putting too much pressure on, and if you slip, you'll cut yourself really badly. Push it in along the edge there. Keep your hand clear, and then cut along the aluminium. So we're cutting against the aluminium frame. And it comes away neatly. So trim that all the way around. Done. One filter replaced. Well, thanks again for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more good videos. Well, I think they're good.
You can't sleep at night cause it's hot as hell inside and you think you're gonna go insane. Or when you're having no fun cause your hands and toes are numb, you only need